Enchufla. Enchufla is created with a hook hand hold. The man is going to hook his hand underneath, the woman is going to hook her hand into that. You can pull on that, creating a resistance. The tension is going to be formed through the forearm on the man and the woman. Pulling against that. That's your tension point using a hook hand hold. Enchufla footwork. We're going to use our hook hold and pull back on our 1. Cross on our 2 and out on our 3. The man is now behind you, facing the same direction. We're then going to cross over on our 5, creating more tension. We're going to bounce back off of that again. 6, 7. So to do that again from the same side looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again, here we go. On our hook hand hold. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again from this side it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do it again facing the back. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again from the back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can add in style features to that if you want to, but this is what it looks like put to music. 5, 6, 7,